respected director sir, principal sir, hardworking teachers, and my dear schoolmates. My name is Sweksha from 3rd Hazel. Now I am going to honest today's morning assembly. Prayer. Prayer is the one's rising of one's mind and heart to God. Now I request to stay right and start our prayer. Respect. Now I would like to call Dikshit to lead with us pledge. I would like to call Avantika to say thought of the day. This is Avantika. Now I am saying thought. The best day to start a new project that can change your life. I am repeating again. The best day to start a new project that can change your life. Thank you. Have a nice day. A new day. Now I call Jerry to spell the word. Have a Jerry from Hazel. Word. Determination. Meaning strong will to success. Friends, please spell after me. Stories about people who overcome change or make positive impact. Now I call Raj to say the news.
Raja Jayashree Hazel. Today I am going to say national and international news. National news. IIT seats doubled in a decade, rising from 65,000 to 1.35 lakhs. International news. PM Modi to attend Mauritius National Day as guest of honor. Thank you. Have a wonderful Thursday. Gregory Hazel. Now I am going to deliver a speech on nervous system. The nervous system consists of brain, nerves, and sense organs. The nervous system is center of your body. Thank you.
I call Sahasra.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sastra from Gregory Hazel. Today I am saying speech on Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was another important national leader. He was born on April 14, 1891 in Madhya Pradesh. In the 1920s, he went to New York and London to study law. Dr. Ambedkar was chairman of group and that wrote the Constitution of India, a book of rules and laws for the newly independent India. Dr. Ambedkar worked hard for the welfare of downtrodden people. Thank you.
The Aradhya is going to test your general knowledge.
Hi everyone, my name is Hazel. Today I am going to test your general knowledge. Question for grade 1. How many colors are there in a rainbow? 7. Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is 7. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 2. What is the full meaning of GK? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is general knowledge. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 3. How many planets are there in our solar system? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is 8. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 4. Which is the fastest vehicle? Aeroplane. Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is aeroplane. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 5. Who invented the aeroplane? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is very, but let us appreciate them.